Democracy needs discipline.
So rather than the world lecturing Turkey on human rights, you're saying the world will adopt your priorities.
Right now, the security of the people and the society is more important than the human rights. Don't you think so?
They say the utter failure of Turkey's major secular parties to address the underlying problems, especially poverty and corruption, has opened the way to Refah.